Hi, this is Keel's Garage. Welcome, gearheads. Today, I'm thrilled to unveil the world's top 5 best shocks for Ford Ranger. Whether you're a seasoned off-roader or a city slicker, these shocks will elevate your ride. So buckle up and join me as we dive into the ultimate suspension upgrade. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment for more updates. Let's roll. Number 1. Monroe's Load Adjusting 58618 Suspension Shock Absorber and Coil Spring Assembly. Designed to handle heavy loads with ease, this innovative assembly ensures a smooth and stable ride even when towing or hauling. Featuring Monroe's patented reflex technology, it automatically adjusts to changing road conditions, providing optimal control and comfort. With its durable construction and easy installation, the Monroe 58618 is a must-have upgrade for any vehicle facing heavy-duty tasks. Say goodbye to bumpy rides and hello to unparalleled performance on the road. Get yours today and experience the difference. Number 2. Detroit Axle's RWD shock absorbers designed specifically for the Ford Ranger. Crafted with precision engineering, these shock absorbers guarantee superior performance and durability on the road. Engineered for rear-wheel drive vehicles, they ensure optimal stability and control, even on rough terrain. The advanced design minimizes vibration and enhances ride comfort, making every journey smoother and more enjoyable. Upgrade your Ford Ranger suspension with Detroit Axle's RWD shock absorbers for unmatched reliability and performance. Get ready to experience the road like never before. Number 3. A premium front and rear shock absorbers struts for Ford Ranger. Engineered for durability and performance, these shock absorbers ensure a smooth and stable ride on any terrain. Crafted to OEM specifications, they guarantee a precise fit and hassle-free installation. With premium materials and advanced technology, they offer superior damping and control, enhancing your driving experience. Whether you're tackling rough trails or cruising on highways, A premium shock absorbers deliver reliability and comfort every mile. Upgrade your ride with confidence and conquer the road ahead. Number 4. CCIYU Shocks for Ranger, a complete 4-piece set designed to elevate your driving experience. Crafted for durability and performance, these shocks ensure a smooth ride on any terrain. The front and rear struts, coupled with shock absorbers, provide optimal stability and control, enhancing your vehicle's handling. Engineered to fit seamlessly, installation is hassle-free, saving you time and effort. Say goodbye to bumps and vibrations with CCIYU's reliable shock absorber set, your go-to choice for a comfortable and safe journey. Number 5. Rough Country's 2.5 to 5-inch N3 rear shocks for 83 to 11 Ford Ranger. Elevate your off-road experience with these high-performance shocks engineered to handle the toughest terrain. Crafted with nitrogen-charged design for a smooth ride and enhanced control, these shocks offer superior dampening and stability. The durable construction ensures longevity, while the easy bolt-on installation makes upgrading a breeze. Dominate the trails with confidence, thanks to Rough Country's commitment to quality and innovation. Experience the difference with Rough Country's N3 rear shocks. In conclusion, choosing the best shocks for your Ford Ranger can greatly enhance your driving experience, providing better handling and comfort both on and off the road. Remember to consider your specific needs and preferences when making your selection. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and share for more updates videos.